up guys, welcome back to my channel. So going backpacking through parts of Europe pretty soon, which I'm so excited about and nervous, but mostly excited. So I'm going to be showing you in this video my essentials I'm going to be taking with me and pretty much everything I'm going to be taking with me. And I'm going to link where I got everything in the description box below, so check that out to find out where I got everything. So let's get into the video. The essential thing is your passport, and this is my passport. I just have it covered over it, and it's just like your regular schmurgler passport. It's kind of like a folder. It's like this filing case. It has like sections. It says has the ticket section, passport, your money. It's just a good way to organize your papers. A microfiber towel, and it says it's antibacterial and it absorbs 3 times its weight. So I'm taking a travel journal so I can document my trip. So travel journal and a good book to read, because when you're traveling you have so much downtime, and in the buses, trains, planes, you're gonna have downtime. So if I'm not writing my journal, I will be reading this book right here. An umbrella for those rainy days. Packing cubes, and it's just so you know where everything is. It's like so you're not digging through your backpack to look for stuff that you can organize. So it comes in 6. It has this huge one here, and then this size, and then the smaller packing cube, and then it has 3 laundry pouches. So packing cubes to stay organized. Sleeping mask, a SPORK. It has a fork and actually a knife. Is a fork and a knife here, and then a spoon. So pretty handy. Now to electronics. I'm going to be taking my camera with me. I'm filming with my camera, but this is the case, so it's just like a teeny tiny camera. A travel adapter, and it has 2 USB drives here and over here. I think this is the Japan, Australia, and Thailand. How do you call this? Plug? Yes. So yeah, you just push it, and then here, and then I think this is the UK. This is the UK plug, and this is the Europe plug. So you can pretty much use it in every country in the world. In my little itty bitty tripod, of course, a selfie stick, and this selfie stick is actually Bluetooth. This is where you hit it and then you take your pictures. Charger for the selfie stick. Extra SD cards for storage so I can take more videos. My phone charger, headphones, little lock, and of course my phone. I'm taking my phone with me. I haven't showed you my backpack yet, but this is my backpack. I mean, the only important thing, right? This is just a regular backpack. I mean, you don't backpack or anything like we're not trying to spend thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars on backpacks because we ain't got that much money. Anyway, so this is just a backpack, regular backpack, but just make sure it's comfortable. This one has like padded back. It's like it's padded, so it's comfortable on your back, you know. The toiletries, toothbrush, bar soap. I'm taking a bar soap. Wipes, makeup and face wipes. And these travel bottles are just for because you can take the huge lotion tubes on the plane because I'm taking a backpack. I'm not checking any bags, so I'm taking these and I'm going to be putting in my lotion and everything that I need in these bottles. More travel containers. These two little ones here. Vaseline. Really, this is a facial scrub. Everything I'm taking is travel size because I'm not checking the bag. Toothpaste, hairbrush, hair deodorant, Advil, because you never know, you might have a headache, you might get sick, so take like fit. I'm going to be taking first aid and Advil. I'm not really a medicine person, I don't like taking medicines, but just in case, I have Advil on me. I'm going to be taking vitamin C tablets, and it's like top care immune support, just for, you know, boost my immune system so I'm not more susceptible to falling sick. So these are just immune support tablets. So on to the next most important essential, aside your passport and everything else I've showed you, are your clothes, right? Taking 2 dresses, night shirt, just a huge night shirt, 2 tank tops, 1 long sleeve top, short sleeve tops. I'm probably going to get another short sleeve top, a hat because it's summer, shorts, 1 pair of black leggings, a pair of black denim jeans, and they're high-waisted, 3 pairs of socks. Yes, I'm taking this huge blanket, and it's really light. It's not going to take so much space in the backpack. Cute rectangular blanket, and it's really light, and this has so many uses. You can use picnic blanket, you can use it as a scarf, so a day pack right here. My underwear, you don't need to see that. But I'm taking 7 pairs of underwear in case you wanted to know. These sandals, flip-flop, my favorite pair of sneakers. These white, what are they? Converses. So I'm not packing this. I'm going to be wearing them whenever I'm going to the airport. So taking this jacket with me, I'm going to be wearing it on the plane. I'm not going to pack it in my backpack. So yes, my battery is almost dying, so I think that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'm going to make another video showing you how I pack all of that using my packing cubes to fit in my backpack. So stay tuned for that video and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, my battery is almost dead. Bye.